there's a lot going on, and is more than one way to write on your planner, and there's more than one way to erase something on your planner. So if I decided, for example, on the 19th, I have a phone call scheduled at 3:30. I used the text tool for that so that it would be neater than my handwriting. And if I want to get rid of that, there's several ways to go about it. And that's the beauty of it, is there's always more than one way to do something. So if you don't like a certain way, you can try another way. Or if one way doesn't work for you, you can try another way. So a couple of things we're going to try. We're going to tap with our finger once quickly. And if you could see, it highlights and it brings up a whole bunch of options for you, one of which is red and says delete. So if you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is tap delete and it's gone. Now, if you realize, oh no, that wasn't what I meant to delete at all, you're going to have a back arrow up here in the corner, and you tap it once and think of it as an undo button, and the appointment will come back. So that's our first way, is you can tap it and hit delete. The other way is to use your lasso tool and draw around it. Now tap with your pen just once, and you're going to see a menu that's pictures but no words. But delete is always going to be red, and so here's a trash can that's red. So we can hit delete and it's gone. And again, we can put it back with the back arrow. Okay, now what if the time of the phone call has changed? So we're going to edit it. We're not going to delete it. We're going to tap on this and we're going to tap again. Now I want you to picture where exactly it is that you want to change. Well, I want to start by getting rid of the 3:30. I'm going to tap my finger or your pen and tap it right after the 0. And there's a blinking cursor line there now, which basically means, think of a typewriter or a keyboard. It's ready to make changes, whatever you need to do. Down at the bottom, a menu will pop up giving you some obvious options like, do you want to bold it? Do you want to underline? There's a picture of a little keyboard. Well, we want to change the time. So we're going to touch that keyboard and we're going to click Show Keyboard. And sometimes it'll be a big keyboard, depending how your settings are. Mine always comes up with a small keyboard. And by the way, if you touch the gray bar, you can move this anywhere around the screen if it's in the way. So just like on a keyboard, I'm going to hit the back arrow to get rid of 3:30, and I'm going to make this 5 o'clock. Now all you need to do to keep it that way is tap somewhere else on the page. It's called tapping out of. So you were in the box making changes, and now you're tapping outside of the box. So when you hear someone say tap out or tap in, you're talking about trying to tap within the text box and back out.